improve. If it's not my setup, I let it go. Slow money wins, that's all I know. Oh, highly favored, highly favored. God first, chart second, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. I wait on purpose, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. Lessons in the process, highly favored. As your princess path, I read it slow. Futures breathe, then drift and flow. No rush, no fear, just clean routine. Zones get tagged and I stay unseen. If the candle lies, I don't lean in. If the prayer's peace, then I begin. One good entry can change the night. Faith over hype keeps the trade right. Highly favored, highly favored. God first, chart second, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. I wait on purpose, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. Lessons in the process, highly favored. Let the noise fade out, let the weekends fold. I move with discipline, quiet.
Good evening. How are we all doing tonight?
Screens glow soft, Tokyo awake. Coffee on the desk, charts don't shake. I wait my turn, I know the zones. Hands stay calm.
All right, y'all. We're flying solo.
Patience in the dark, I don't chase the mood.
Is attending a conference tonight. I have mapped out some trades already that I'm looking to take, and one is about to fill. But I'll run through those here in a quick second here. Just watching this 5-minute candle on the 8th. See what we got here.
Lessons in the process, highly favored.
Calvin zone, what's going, buddy?
As your princess path, I read it slow.
A couple minutes. Kind of show you what I'm looking at here.
No rush, no fear.
Break down on a daily chart.
Zones get tagged and I stay unseen. If the candle lies, I don't lean in. If the prayer's peace, then I begin. One good entry can change the night. Faith over hype keeps the trade.
This is my daily chart here. You can see I don't stop here, but I have a line that basically goes from the top of this wick, touches this wick, and then rejects. And like it said, there's been a big resistance support area here. So I'm looking for it to take that out. But that also falls within, if you look at the 5-minute chart, the orb range we had today. Let's see if it pulls up. The 100% of the orb sits right around here. My indicator is not popping anything up right now. So I'm willing to risk on this trade. I think it's like $80. It's $83. I'm going to see it come up and reject this. Then we get a slight pump up through. That's why I have a fairly decent stop loss. But I got to blow chat up here so I can see what y'all are saying. Pardon me. I got to pull up my phone. It's the screen's not pulling up right. There we go. All right. Cool. Yeah, so I'll just look at the chat on my phone every once in a while here. It's not, it's really small on my screen, but it is definitely still pumping up here. Yeah, and just watching it. We got 45 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. It's pushing really bullish. You definitely want to see it pull back before going higher here, but I'm gonna break down the rest of my chart here in a second. I want to see this candle close. the other thing is I want to keep my stop loss above this 580 level, because a lot of times you'll get a rejection off that. Thanks, Ocala. But the 100% of the orb, we were sitting from the New York session, sitting at 567, 568. How'd you all do today? End up green, salvage some counts. And JD's in the house. Yeah. I'm in there now, but I could, if you want to hang out and yell in my ear, that's fine too. Nice. Yeah, I'm just looking for my entry here. I got a short sitting at 29,555.5, which is been a level that's been resisted a bunch. And here's my indicator finally listed up here. The 100% of the orb was 29,570. Come up and tag me. Yeah, I'm gonna break down my charting here in a second. Let's see, let's take out this daily. What's everyone watching today? You guys looking for shorts, longs? Yeah, we're struggling here. I want to see, come on. Points away. I've started making a rule for myself where I never want to go long on a green candle and I never want to go short on a red candle. Because I've been getting burned, getting the FOMO and go short on a big down pull and it just yanks back on you. Can you hear me good on YouTube, JD? My volume come through clear? Cool. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know how to fix that. That's on Brick's end. Come on. Just missed me. Come on. Got a new 5-minute candle. Let's want to see it. Bust through, tap me, and come back down. Then it'll come down for here. See this 29,499 or 29,500. Yeah. Looking for this to come on down. Come on down. Hey, Brick, I figured I'd do what Luda did. So I can mute myself on YouTube and talk in Discord. All right, come on. Hit me. So close. There it goes. I'm in. Yeah. Yeah, I'm in my short here for 29,555.5. That was my short entry. If for some reason I get tagged out on this at 29,598, which is how much is my loss? $83. I will be looking for another short entry up here at the 29,683, and I'll show why I have that later. But let's do. Snag $100 in this trade here if it comes back down. All right, so now I'm in it. I'm going to break down kind of what I look at on a daily chart. Go up. I'm using Quant Tower, so if anyone's familiar with it, you know what it is. If not, I can answer any questions on it. Something that I've been liking is that it's a lot of flexibility for traders, and just let this play out. So a lot of these are things I've mapped out from a long time. Whenever I see, and I'm gonna go back here, whenever I see a really big candle, I pull a fib and I pull two spots. I pull off the top wick to the bottom wick, and I look for the 50%. So which is this bottom line here. And then I also do the body. That's where the most volume was conducted on that candle on the day. So that's this wick line here. I've noticed over a period of time with large candles, it will like to come back into 50% of that candle and reject. And you'll see today's candle, that's exactly what that did. And I'll break that down. But also on the daily gap, here we had a liquidity spot between these two candles. We broke down through, but we didn't close below it. So I want to see this close down below this candle here. This daily gap today at some point. I just don't know where my short will be. And then we go from my daily down to my 4-hour. And I look down. So I found there's, let me see, delete this. I like these when you get big volume candle, you get a wick. I like that for rejection point. That's where I'm at 4-hour wick, looking for shorts. Also, with that, I have a zone that I like to fall into, and it happens to be on this large trend line as well. So honestly, this is probably gonna be my better short up here than where I'm currently in, but I'm giving it a shot based upon this daily, testing out these different spots here multiple times. And I'm just watching here. Then I'm also, my stop loss is above this wick in this area here. And it's only 7 points above that, but we'll see what happens here. And then you can drop down to 15-minute, show you more volume. This range that I have here, I was milking this all day long with taking shorts and going long. That's why I had that box there for the range, and we finally busted through it. If you're familiar with Power 3, it's a concept that's out there. You got manipulation, distribution, consolidation, manipulation, distribution. This area here was a big consolidating area, and it manipulated down and then bounced back up. Hey, what's up, Bert? Bert, I hear you in Discord. Yep. Yep, look at my short here. So the short is starting to play out. I'm looking for this 502 area to play out, which is this top wick here. I really think we could probably get a larger pull. Unfortunately, with this account, I don't have a lot of down room because I got stupid with some things. So I'm on a recovery mission on it, which is fine. But I like your zone, Bert. Yeah, buddy. All right, so we got 20 points, at least right now. We're looking for a total move of 50. So I technically could bring this down to break even. And now I'm risking 1-to-1. I'm risking 20 points to make 20 points of unrealized. I'm adjusting my profit slightly off this 1 minute wick here. But come on. Mom. No. Yeah, we want this to push. Come on. Nothing that scared me about this spot is this 520, but I think we're going to get a good push. Adjust this slightly. So I adjusted it to my take profit to 511. It's a really good zone from the brick has listed out. You jump on Discord. You can pick and hear these zones. But that's a crime. It's a crime candle. All right, what are we gonna do here? I think I need to put my stop above this top candle. I'll risk $20, 10 points. No, I'm still in. I'm just adjusting my stop loss back above this high, this candle. So I'm risking $26. I should probably risk a little more because I do like this zone. This is what happened to me last night. I'll put it back to where I had it. Again, the orb high, and we tapped the orb high from earlier, almost tapped it, I should say. Orb high from New York session was 29,568.75, and top of this candle 67.75. So we're 1 point away from that orb 100. Yeah. Whoever's in here, hit that like, share, subscribe, smack it hard. Let's get some people in here and tell a friend, tell a neighbor, tell your wife. The quicker we get people in here, the quicker we get giveaways out. Everybody loves giveaways. Give a shout out to JD too for passing some evals on trade day. He's gonna be a live trader with everyone soon, killing everything. Yeah, come on. There we go. That was a crime candle here, so let's dump below this. Definitely a bullish candle. All right, so where we're at. So we got 11 seconds left on a 5-minute candle. That's why you zoom out. The 1 minute looked really bullish on that one candle. This is still holding down below. Let's see. 80. I'm actually gonna add a second limit order in at my order. Instead of hitting break even, I want to see it hit me. And add one more. Let's go. Calvin, what do you got? You in? You trading? All right, come on. Push this down. Come on. We need NASDAQ to keep down. Man, I really want to move my profit. Where are we at here? We got 3 minutes left, or basically 3 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. What's that candle look like? Which we've swept the highs of the previous candle. Coming down, let's sweep the lows or take this wick. You got a 504 wick down here on the 15-minute candle. 2 minutes, I'd like to see it take that. If you zoom in, it makes it look really big. Currently up on this one micro, I'm up 42 bucks. It's not huge, but I've been trading for a half hour, so that's $80 an hour if I took it right now. Not many jobs out there can pay 80 bucks and that quick. Also, not many jobs out there that will take $80 an hour from you if you're not gentle. Is there anything anyone would like to see on the charts? What I look at? How I got 50 seconds on this 15-minute candle. And all right, I just took my second order in. I'm gonna set up my proper stop losses and stuff. So stop. There's $100. Now I come down. There we go. So So I got my 2 orders in, my stop loss, my take profit, and the OCO. So it'll cancel out if it hits. Oh, come on. Just missed me. Come on. I need to adjust. So I adjusted my stop loss up to above this wick here, where I initially had my stop loss with a single contract. To give myself the right room. It's $156. Looking to gain 180 down here. Come on. So I'm glad that didn't stop me out back in my entry. Let's go. I'm going to close one position out here and modify there. So for that second entry, I'm going to close out at $50 on that one contract, and then the second contract down my original position, which is $93 down. Got 2 minutes left on his candle. Yeah, and I close that. Come on down. We're kind of level 511. I always take it a couple points below. We also got this 13 EMA sitting right here at the 512. Come on. Let's go. Coming down to it. We got 15 points to go. This trade, this is the one thing about Asia markets, it's so slow, but it gives you time to find your entries, take your entries. This new 5-minute candle to open up. Let's see this flush down here. Yeah, if I was still in that second contract, I would have closed that out right there. Come on. I see this thing come down. Are we going to create another range like we did at the end of the session today? Up and back about 30 points. What's crazy is 29.80 touched and dumped back down to 20. The 80-20s. I'm gonna move my range box up because that's where we're at. No, you're good. Go ahead. Can you hear me, JD? Yeah, good. Good. I'm muted. Yeah. Yeah, that's probably yeah, that's solid. And start fresh. Yeah, because if you try to gain another 600 on top of that, you might be over their 50% consistency and everything, which I don't know that rule. Again, some rejection back off top here. Let's see this dump back down. All right, new 5-minute candle, 840. Let's see what we do here. So for the Asia session, the orb, we got 74 points. And coming back down to the lower end, the middle of this range right now. Come on. We're right there. 2 more points. There it is, money. It's a patience game. Just made about $100 on that. At 512. You can see my trades. I'll put it on here. A 1-minute chart. Yep, so we entered here off this rejection, re-entered off this. Yep, and I closed out at 512.25. The low of that candle is 511.50. So Burke had a low of 511. Confused right there. Yep, so I entered, and went break even on this trade here, this contract, and then I held this one down to target. And now that I'm out of my trades, I hit flatten and make sure all my orders are canceled, so nothing's hidden out anywhere. And then be looking for the next trade, seeing what buys might be. TP hits. I closed out what I was saying is 512.25. It came down to 511.50. Anyone take that trade that was in chat? Not that this is a signal service, but give you some levels beforehand. And that was 45 minutes. Let's just say it was an hour. He made about $100 an hour. And my job didn't pay me that today, so. And I am my own boss. And I refuse to pay myself $100 an hour. Yep. Yeah, come right on over to HFT, and we'll show you how you can do it yourself. The link's in the. I don't see it. Is it in this chat here? Yeah, there it is. Hold on. Oh, shoot. And that's why you don't have any service. You'll see your Taylor Swift wedding. Burke just tuned in and was showing me where he's at. He's in a giant coliseum, helping people out, doing Lord's work right now. But he was double checking his level at 511 that he pointed out earlier to see what hit, and it did. So I'm watching the orb trade now. So what I'd like to see is if I'm trading orb for Asia, if it's anything like New York, I want to see a 5-minute candle close. I'll color these things up, do some artwork. I want to see a candle close below the range, and then it could come down to anywhere above this 50%, and then I want to see it come back up and test the bottom end of this range. That's where I'll take entry, and then I will look for a re-entry short right there down to the 50%. Depending on how I'm doing, if I got some profits, I might add 2 contracts. So I'll take close one here, close the second one at the 100%, and put a stop loss above the range, which is $146 per contract right now. So $280 total with 2 contracts. So risking $180 on the day because I'm up $100 already. How are y'all doing? Let's see. Looks like JD's scoring some points there. He's catching up from his eval from yesterday. Delete my drawings off here. Anyone got questions or trades they're looking at or random topics? Yeah, so this range that I have right now is based on the orb. Quant Tower puts it out here from the start, the 8 o'clock candle, to the high, which is here, the first 15 minutes. And then 25% is marked out, 50%, and then 100%. I don't do much with the 25%. I could probably pretty much remove that. But also for the lower end, the 25, 50, and 100. I use it in confluence with what my trades were earlier, because my New York session orb, it's not showing up on this chart. I have another chart down on my other screen, but the orb 100 from earlier was at 29,569.25. So 69.25. So it's right about the top of this range here is where the 100% was. So that 100% is a good rejection level for me. Also, the level that I marked out here and showed you guys earlier, it's also a good rejection. So that's a lot of confluence for me to take that initial short, which it did. Now I'm watching this. I won't retake the second entry on this, but I will watch it for the long of the orb if we close 5 minutes above the candle here. And the same concept that I was looking for the short. The 29,511. Where is the 511? The 511 is a zone that Rick had marked out earlier. Probably one of his proprietary thing. He's got marked here. But I took that based upon my 13 EMA was coming down here. I initially had it down a little bit lower, but I just marked it up at the 512. You can see that right here. I closed the trade at 512.25 at the bottom of that candle. The 8 p.m. 15-minute orb. I'm still learning the initial balance. I don't know for the Asia session if it's from there's different markets that open up. There's one that opens up at 8 o'clock. So it'd be your initial balance, it'd be your first hour. So it'd be 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. This would be the initial balance of this range. Let's see here. Let's see. Get the 8 o'clock candle, which is this one here. So this would be your initial balance range. Yeah, so that's what they say is 9:30, 10:30 for New York. But if the market opens at 8 o'clock here, you'd be looking at 8 to 10. Man, that was a quick rejection off that level too. I could have took that again. Yeah, that level's playing out really tight right now. Yes, sir. 80-20. There we go. Man, if I could take it out again, that 5-minute candle is just on point. All right, sitting at the 20 level. I mean, you could take in 30 points on that one. 30 points on that one, 30 on that one. You'll be up 120 points if you're playing zone on this. Calvin, you said you look at the open while some had in Tokyo. Yeah, it's just something I'm playing with. I got to do some more back testing on it to really understand it, read up on it. I like the market theory on, I don't know, where range and volume is. Like if you look left on this chart, you see this here. There's a lot of people, you know, think about if you went to an auction, there's a lot of people bidding in on this thing here, and they just got tired of the price at this level, so it just sold off. So if you think about like sports cards or cars or collectibles, the buyers stopped, and so the price, supply and demand dropped. That's how I look at the market. So when you look at big ranges and clusters, like this is a big chop zone up here, and it allows for heavy movement along these because there's not a lot of chop yet. But I'm looking at seeing what it does on this just for fun. I'm not going to take it. It's 29,550, the top of this red candle wick. Draw a little line across. It's a wick test right there. They've been for re-entry. For fun, I put a stop below this red candle. I gotta flip that to short. And trying to figure out how to flip this from long to short. There we go. It's just a fun watch. I'm not going to actually take this trade here, so I'm not as confident with it as I would be from this level. But this wick test here is something I'm watching. So this trade here, if I took it, I'd be risking 33 points or $66 to make $112, 56 points up. And when it gets about halfway, I typically mark, right about here, I would go break even. That'd be my break even spot. And the one thing I don't have in here is my VWAP. Let's see where we're at. And my VWAP anchored for my 8 p.m. open. Now I'm watching this for this opening range here. I'm going to adjust my box back to my orb versus the opening range. Let's see. Yep. So it's 8:58. Got 1 minute 6 seconds to the next hourly candle. What's our currently hourly candle look like? Junk. I guess the noise off my screen here. I'm gonna take this thing out here. We got a new 5-minute candle, new hourly candle. The last hourly candle closed kind of gross. Let's see that here. That closed. The New York dark opening range indicator that I had on there. Yeah, this market's not moving much. I think my one level that I had listed out here got deleted somehow on accident. Fix it here. Oh no, it's there. Just got moved. Yeah, this barcoding is crazy. Got 2 minutes left on his 5-minute candle. If this closes below here, without touching this 50%. Last night we had the top of the short, and I have a feeling I might have caught the top of this short here too. I just closed out way early. We'll see. It's part of the game. But if I knew the lottery numbers, I'd be a millionaire already too. So. Yeah, Calvin, that's the other thing. The market does allow you to trade a little bit slower and take your time with it. Got 31 seconds. If this hits at 50% with the next 20 seconds, I won't take this short if it retraces back up. We just hit the 48 EMA. All right, new 5-minute candle. Here we go. So we're looking for a new short here. Now I'll close TP. So that's how I would play my orb on this one. And for some reason, my tower doesn't let me put my stop in. Rejects it. So I have to wait until the order takes and I'll put my stop in. But I don't want to see it hit the 50% yet. I need it to come back up on this candle. There we go, I'm in. This will be my final trade for the night. I'm actually just gonna risk 60 bucks. I'll break even around when it comes back down to this 25% level. I'll have to slap it a break even. Should need to put this above the 50%. Adjusting my stop loss a little above the 50% of the orb. So 75, risking $83. So I'll still be green for the day, it would just be a couple bucks. It's sitting above the VWAP, sitting above the 13 EMA. Unless this was just a big manipulation candle. I'm looking at the 15-minute chart. Let's go. Got a minute 30 left on his 5-minute candle. We could get a little push above this previous 5-minute candle, take out some liquidity. I'm actually liking above this candle. Don't ever adjust your stop losses. Find your zones, but I have enough room on this. I normally go to the far end of the orb, but I think these candles here are enough confluence for me. It should be all right. Alt the VWAP, let's see this reject. Yeah, there's let me tap off down here. Tapped off the 13 EMA and bounced. Or it's a 48 EMA. Now I'm gonna get smacked out here and be basically break even for the day if I do. Let's see. Yeah, I've closed $95 on the day. Yeah, so this would be basically a break-even day if it hits me out here. I'm not familiar with the volume profile. I would just ask a question if about the volume profile. I'm not too familiar with it, how it works, or even how to utilize it on here. Let me see if I have it. Yeah, I'm trying to find the. Yeah, I'm looking for it here. I probably just got stopped out too. Let's see. Yeah, no, it's fine. Cool. I want one for one. Not terrible. Basically break even day. I think show it over here. Lost $8 on the day total P&L. That's after commissions. So not too shabby. But I'm just watching this here to see what happens. But you guys have any other questions? Well, than that. I took a L on the orb. The orb strategy, so I'm basically break even for the day. Yeah, I went for the sell, and I think it's still gonna come back, but I think we're done. Yeah, we've got. I think we're gonna close down the stream though. If you want to help assist with that. Other than that, no one's got any further questions. I think we're going to start wrapping down here. Appreciate you showing up. One for one. Basically, like I said, break even, minus $8 for the day. But it's tapping the speed swap and looking for rejection here. It has stopped me out. It's 539.25, right? Stop up there. We're gonna start switching to no stop loss. My normal risk management would have been above the orb. Should have been $151 risk, which shouldn't have been terrible. But man, I want to FOMO into this. So I got to close down before I do something silly here at all. Yeah. New title tomorrow night, y'all. No stop loss. Send it. All right, y'all. You're about to see some FOMO action here. You want to see how I degen scalp during the day? Or blow account. But I'll have a fresh new account for everyone tomorrow. Yeah. And this is showing you a demonstration on why you guys shouldn't FOMO into trades. At least I didn't do crazy heavy size, but we'll see. See how this works. Let's close this stream down, Bert. All right, y'all. I'm gonna close down. I'll have a report tomorrow what this does, but we're gonna run it. Have a good night. Peace out.